Today, just like every other day, I visited the Blox Fruits Gacha dealer hoping to get something good. And look at this, Dragon East and Dragon West are finally available in the gacha. So, why not? I spent almost all of my money on my very first roll. And then, no way, Dragon West fruit. I couldn't believe my eyes. This is actually the first dragon fruit I've ever held in the game. Since I finally had one, I thought, why not recreate it in Roblox Studio? The first thing I did was capture as many angles of the fruit as possible. Front, back, sides, top, anything that would help build an accurate 3D model. Then I asked ChatGPT to generate a clean multi-view reference sheet based on those screenshots. That reference image is much easier for AI modeling tools to understand. Next, I opened Meshi AI and uploaded 4 reference images. A few seconds later, Meshi generated an amazing 3D model. It looks incredibly close to the original Blox Fruits dragon fruit. Even better, it automatically generated textures with glowing details that look fantastic. Of course, this model is still too heavy for Roblox, so let's optimize it. Click Remesh, choose the adaptive option, and generate a low poly version. Some tiny texture details become a little blurry after optimization, but honestly, for a Roblox game, it still looks really good. Now export everything as an FBX file. Inside Roblox Studio, create a new project. There are 2 ways to import the model. You can use Asset Manager, Bulk Import, or simply click Import 3D and select the FBX exported from Meshi. After importing, it's absolutely huge. Let's scale it down. I'll start with 0.1. Still too big. I'll insert a dummy character so we can compare the size. Looks like 0.01 is much closer to the original Blox Fruit scale. Perfect. Now let's turn this model into an actual usable tool. Insert a new tool. Inside it, create a part named Handle. Make the handle invisible. Disable collisions. Then drag the dragon fruit mesh inside. Inside the mesh, insert a weld constraint. Set part 0 to the handle. Set part 1 to the dragon fruit mesh. Now move everything to the dummy's right hand and reposition it until it looks natural. Once everything is aligned, move the tool into Starter Pack. Time for the best part. Press play, hit 1 to equip the tool, and there it is. We're actually holding our own dragon fruit. That looks awesome. If you want to take it even further, you could recreate the original glowing effects using neon parts. But for this demo, I'll simply add a point light to the mesh. That little bit of lighting really makes the fruit stand out. And that's it. From accidentally rolling my very first dragon fruit, to recreating it with Meshi AI, and finally bringing it into Roblox Studio. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.